Okay guys, so today we're gonna do the rear passenger side speed sensor traction control section on the 3500 outside. I'm looking for some of the tools that I need. I need these pliers, some wire cutters, and I need number 8, which I already have over there. So let's go guys. And this right here is my little princess. This is my CO6. You've seen it before, a couple of videos. I used to have my RT365 here, but I took them out. So this right here is for the how do you call it? This right here is for the speed sensor. That bag over there, the other bag over there, you see the Amazon bag is something else that I'm gonna be doing, and probably gonna be we're gonna be doing the lights on this truck. So right now, let's get underneath the truck, get the oil out, and the new in, guys. And let me tell you the reason why I am replacing this sensor right here. So this sensor right here, I took it to the Chevy dealership, and because I have a light about traction control and trailer something, you know. And when I start looking around, this piece was laying on the pipes. You probably can see. Let me see if you can see. You can still see. You cannot see anymore, but it was a mark around here with the burning of this cable. So I wanted to go replace this piece of the cable by itself, but the guys at the Chevy dealership told me that I needed to replace the whole thing, the 2 pieces, because the Chevy guys changed the plug, you know, the plug that connects the 2 cables for another type, and for me to be able to change this, I needed to change both cables. And I was like, oh Jesus Christ. So yeah, let me throw some tools on there. Let's start with the process. Okay, I think it's kind of nice when your truck is lifted a couple inches from the ground, so you guys can see. We have the 10 to 12 needle system here. I'm pretty happy with it, you know, pretty happy with it. You guys can see it. I need to get I do need to get a front drive shaft for my front differential. Is that right? Yeah, because when I put the truck in 4-wheel drive, for some reason I hear some noises, and these puppies, these 2.0 Fox chucks, at the end of the year I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna send them to Fox to get them rebuilt, the whole 4. So yeah, let's get with this. And we're gonna remove this piece right here, which I already started. I'm not gonna BS here. I already started, so you guys can see. Yeah, perfect. And then I put gloves on it just to look cool, you know. Perfect. I'm gonna put this right here on top of the wheel so I don't lose it. Let's take this one out, but we're gonna use some brute force. I know some of you guys might be like, no Rick, that's not how you do it, you're gonna damage the whole thing. I get it, sorry guys, but I'm not a pro like you guys. So I will appreciate your comments on the section below and your subscription. So next time, yeah, when you see me, this piece is out. There's a lot of corrosion there. There's a lot of corrosion there. So I'm gonna clean that and then take this cable out. Let's see if I can. Here's the sensor. It comes out of here. Okay, we're gonna open this. I need the pliers. See what we got here. So we got the cable and the adapter. So we need, and we have tape up. So this is gonna go all the way here, and this is the second adapter that I'm trying to get access to now. I need to use this and these 2 bad boys. Okay, pretty good. Chevy, you think about everything. I appreciate that. So let's start by putting the the main piece, which is, and that's the sensor. Okay, I like to come from this way, this angle. Yep, perfect. Okay guys, so right now we're just gonna put the screw back, and hopefully everything matches, everything's lined up. If you guys can see, I don't have my gloves on me, you know, due to the fact that, you know, makes no sense having gloves doing this kind of job, because I turn them apart within the first couple of things that I did. You know, don't torque it too much, but you know, sure there's a, I'm sure there's some kind of book over there with torque specifications, but I'm just gonna do this by feeling. I feel that those are pretty good. Once I go to the dealership next time, I will let them know, hey, I did this work, can you guys torque this bolt for me? So I'm sure they will do it for me. Hey guys, what's going on? So right now we are done with this project. As you guys know, everything started right here by putting the sensor right there. Then we went to right here where we guided the cable. We put one adapter here. I put some zip ties right here to hold this since the truck is lifted, as you guys can see. And then we went all the way over there where you guys can see the cable, how I routed. I left the majority of the cable right there, and I have to like cut it and clamp it with the tools, not the tools, with the parts that Chevy provided. I think I did a good job. Now guys, I'm telling you, I was gonna do a video, but it took me longer than what I thought, you know, to my level of expertise and to the level of the tools that I have right here. So right now we're going out. Let me take out the shop lock, and then I'm gonna start the truck to see if it works. All right, Grayson, we need to get out of here, Bobby. Let's go. Say bye.
Bye.
This is my helper. I'm double checking everything to make sure that I put everything together the way it is. So everything looks good, man. You know, I always get scared when I work on my own car, but you know, you have to do it. So right now we're gonna test drive it. We're gonna see how it goes. Okay, let's not put radio because I don't want to get copyrighted today. Let it warm it up for a second, then we go out. Put my seatbelt real quick, guys. So yeah, hey, let's see what we got going on. Yeah, I think it's fixed. So that's the major thing, you know, when it comes to cars with me, is that, you know, I want my cars to be in top performance. Top performance? Yes. I want them to be in good shape when I'm driving my vehicles. You know, I don't drive the cars too much, but yeah, let me give you a b-roll, and then we're gonna end up with the video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do the lights. We got some LED lights from Amazon. I paid like $45, I think. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's go.